Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA here. We're going to finish our mystery box unboxing. This is going to be box 2 of 2. And we had a really good box in the first one, and I hope it stays just as good. All right. We still haven't seen the Frankensaber yet. I'm excited to see what it looks like. I ordered some color discs just because I wanted to see what they look like with 8 against silver, how much it kind of changed the color, so we'll do a future video on that. Of course, I got all the Allen keys. Also ordered another 16-inch mid-grade blade to go with the one that's in my Yari Pike. Alright. Usually they put the free initiate in the first box. This one's in the second one. And they're labeled just so you know how I know the difference in box 1 and box 2. They're right on the outside, box 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. So my free initiate is going to be an initiate V3, same as I got last time. Got yet another AV switch, and we've got another pink blade. That is awesome that we're getting so much diversity. We've got another V2. A lot of you are big fans of the V2, how thin it is and comfortable. It's going to be an Aeon V2. We've got another AV switch, and this is going to be Arctic Blue. It's our first Arctic Blue. Man, really good to see the different colors they're putting around. We're going to have another V2. This is going to be an Aeon LE V2. It's got the gold coloration. It'll be the only difference, of course. Got another AV switch, and this one's going to be in Guardian Blue. I suspect one of these is going to count as my free grab bag. Probably this one if I had to guess. Up next, got another V5. A little tape on the bottom here. This is going to be a Dark Apprentice V5. It's all black with the silver AV switch. Looks really nice. That one's going to be in Fire Orange. It's going to be the third Fire Orange of this haul. It kind of suits the black though. It looks really good. I have a Sentinel V4. Going to have another AV switch. So far we're 100% on AV switches. We have emitter windows. And this one's going to be in Blazing Red. We've got an Apprentice V4, which matches the larger Sentinel V4. Another AV switch. And this one's going to be in Consular Green. For a second there, I thought they were going to match. Alright, we're getting towards the end of the box. We've got 4 left. We had 18 sabers and an empty disorder. Alright, we're going to have another Sentinel V5. Man, it is really nice to see so many V5s in here. Another AV switch. In Blazing Red. Look at that, we've got matching V4 and V5 Sentinels. Alright, we're going to have an Aeon V5. Now this is my second one of these, but my first one was damaged. It had a lot of pits in the aluminum and I believe that probably came from an improper composition of the aluminum or pour, and it had air bubbles in it. So this is my first one that's not damaged, and it really looks nice. Got a V5. And we're gonna have another pink one. Wow, that's great that there's so many of them. All right, last regular saber is going to be a Dominic's V5. Wow. Well, no vented pommel. Ooh, that looks great in blazing red. Really looks like a nice dark saber. Looks like a nice dark side saber. All right, well that's going to be all the regular sabers. All we have left is the Frankensaber. I'm really excited. All right, everybody. This is going to be the last saber of the box. Going to be the Frankensaber. And they didn't disappoint. I've gotten some really good Frankensabers, and quite frankly, I've been waiting for one that's not as good, and I'm wrong again. This is a really nice one. I'm excited about it. So, all right, I will do more research for the review video, but just off the top of my head, this looks like the pommel off of the Crimson Scorpion. I'm not sure about the hilt. I know I've seen it before. Got the angled activation box here from the Spectre. This section here is from the Shock. I'm not sure what this is. We've got a couple of knurled thumb screws here that look really nice, kind of break up the silver and black. Here's part of the emitter section from the Fallen without the shroud on either side. And then we have two of the claws from the Warglaive emitter. Looks really nice. It's a large two-handed saber. And let's see what color it is. Fire orange. All right. All right, well that's going to do it for this unboxing. Let me know what you think about the haul. What do you think about any of the sabers that we got? What do you think about the Frankensaber? If you like this content, let me know with a thumbs up. We're going to have more giveaways at 750 subscribers and 1,000 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe. That's going to do it for today. Thank you for watching.